Yo, what's up, guys? Today's December 16, 2025. Today's Tuesday, second day of the week. So let's get over today's trade recap. So, as you guys can see here, this is a daily chart for NQ, and we are rejecting from this. Let me check if we're not okay. So we are rejecting from this daily fair value gap. So, having that in mind, we also have this SMT in the table. I would say yes. We have this SMT2 here. So the daily says super bullish. So if you let me so fuck. Okay, so as you guys can see, if we are super bullish in here and we are not going to revisit those lows, I want to see internal rebalance of the range, meaning by that we tap in this order block. For example, this 15 minutes for value in here. As you guys can see, we also have this new day opening gap in here that is fulfilled by NQ and no by ES, so that's an sign in bullish order flow that price beat an SMT with that new week opening. No, fuck. It's the new day opening gap. Sorry. So we have that SMT in here. So we are supposed, if we are bullish, we are going to do a internal rebalance of the price here. As you can see, let me go to market opening here. So having in mind we are protected from this low, so now it's turned to run some buy side liquidity. My personal point of interest for the day was these 15 minutes, as you can see here, because it's a unfilled fair value gap in here is aligned with premium, with discount of the range. So if we are going to be bullish, I would like to make the move towards discount, so now we can decide if we want to continue higher or just pull back lower. So having that in mind, as you can see, we are waiting for market open to retrace in this discount inside this 15 minutes for value up. So you guys can see we did that instantly. So we did that, and okay, we made a restrip of this low in here because because if you look at ES, we were trying to strip this intermediate higher time from low, so that's why NQ did that and leg down. So we are now having this SMT. We are trading, rejecting from discount of range inside a 15 minute fair value gap with this higher time frame SMT with a clear drawn liquidity with plus more engineer liquidity here. So now I'm looking for an inverse fair value gap. So you guys can see here is 3 minutes, not 3 minutes. You look at the 2 minutes, there's 2 minutes in here. So this is the 2 minutes I would like to get in, but you can see whether that close is so high. I set the limit already in here, stops below the breaker, and I was targeting something like this. But as you can see here, we didn't got that retrace. We ended up taking that internal hike, so I'm deleting my limit and I'm waiting for a continuation to form. As you guys can see here, we ended up forming this 3 minutes and we instantly flip to bullish again. So I market order that, I mean, for something like this, and as you guys can see, we ended up getting some delivery. I went break even after the internal high again. I don't want to see any weakness reaction from this high, so as you guys can see, we ended up, unfortunately, we ended up edging my TP1 being this higher than frame major sell side buy side liquidity, so I went break even there and I got break even. That saved me from a loss in here, and then we just kept like chopping, and now we just went down edging that major buy side in here, and I just went off something like in here. I mean, I already took my trade, and I mean my bias was so clear for buys, and I'm not interested in trading in this already mitigated range. So I mean, I'm not interested in looking for a short, so I just went off after we just edged this important key level for buys. So yeah, I went off, and that's my trade recap for today. See you tomorrow, guys.